pleasure it's had to have the old 45 Studebaker truck here at StyroMAX. It's certainly been a crowd pleaser as far as the DIY day was concerned. When it was here, everyone was pouring all over it to check it out, and everyone that's come in for a factory tour since it's been here, it's kind of been the first place they head to, was to check out the old Studi. So she's done, here it is. I'll give you the box dimensions. 4.196 meters long, 2.394 meters wide. That's the box, of course, not the window to window. Its height is 1.934 meters. Now that's inside, so that's floor to ceiling. So there's ample room inside. So we manufactured that with our 29mm composite panel. Of course, some hatch doors in the side were installed with StyroSEAL LT and StyroLOCK medium. The Takigen handles from Japan. This one, of course, goes up, so we've fitted a strut to it, utilising the StyroSTRUT small, which is specifically designed for the StyroSEAL LT trim. So a couple of Eurovision windows on the left side, and of course the new Aussie Traveller door, the new style DC door, and looks quite nice. Obviously can't shut that because we've got a power cord going inside at the moment for some lighting. So we've also attached a grab handle here, an illuminated LED grab handle. Lights up here and in behind the handle, and you can get that from us, which is an LED Autolamps product. Moving around the back, we've installed a lockable water inlet, a couple more Eurovision windows on the driver's side, of course another hatch, and of course up the front here we've got the Thetford cassette door. Okay, so we've trimmed this body off in our StyroTRIm RG, which is our 50x50 anodized trim. So it's all been mited. I think Gabby's done a stellar job on that. It's got to be neat and precise for that, and when he's got up the top and he's done the three-way miter, it's good job, I must say. So yeah, it's certainly dressed the body off very nice, neat, and of course that will also add huge amounts of strength to the structure. You can just see how easy these are to operate. Very simple, everything fits. Everything works. All right, moving inside. It's got some pretty good accessories in here already. Okay, we've got the Dometic Harrier Lite installed. We supplied that to them, so we've wired that up already. We've got the 240 off to the side. We've come out and the machine is machined pop it in the conduit, so that'll be all in behind his cupboard or his electrics wherever they are. Same thing at the back, we've pre-run some wiring for them. Got wires popping out in appropriate places where they wanted them. We've marked the walls where the pultrusion beams are, but again, if it's just a simple stud finder really, or check out your drawing of each panel that you get, and that should give you a dimensioned location. But if you can't find any of those things, just a simple stud finder is we've shown in a previous video, which we'll link in the comments below and show you how to find them. Alright, so inside the shower toilet enclosure, they've got probably the best fan on the market, I suppose. It's the rain sensing fan, so the little shut detects rain, and then the fan will switch itself off. So yeah, it's got some good gear in there. Got the Tetford toilet happening here. Got the shower enclosure here, so we've bonded the stainless tray to the floor, which is obviously going to act as the shower tray, and we've also marked where the conduit comes halfway up the wall for the water hoses. The doorway, of course, we've trimmed off in StyroCAP LT, which is a nice low profile trim. Looks quite nice, and then we've fillet finished all the way around inside the body with the Terracin MS939. This body has been outside, has been washed, has been leak checked, and is 0 leaks. So that's one thing we always like to check before the vehicle leaves here. Okay, well, that's it. Roger, Yvonne, thank you for your business. It's been wonderful to have the old studio here. You've been great to work with. Thanks for your patience. These type of builds are all the builds we do. They never happen quickly. They're custom and they take time, and we like to do it once and do it right. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoy your build, and I hope you guys enjoyed the videos we did putting this together.